Ya udah di-record aja langsung.
Oke, udah di-record.
Oke, udah di.
Please, Mas Ahmad, please you lead for this meeting this afternoon. Mas Ahmad Sul Mustaqim.
Thank you, Mr. Ron. Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Mr. Mutakin, Mr. Ahmad, and Mr. Ananda.
Thank you for attending this meeting. I'm Ahmad Isnul, as chairman of the meeting. Allow me
Yes.
to lead the meeting this afternoon. Today, we will discuss about the business that we will create. We need some interesting business ideas for us to run. I asked that one by one to the meeting participant can present the business ideas that we will make. Okay, let's get straight to it. For the first, namely for Mr. Ahmad Rohni. Are you ready?
From me a letter, please, Mas Kristiani, you share your business program.
Okay.
Okay, thank you, everyone. I'll try to start.
Kristiani, time is yours.
Okay, thank you for giving me this opportunity. I will try to presenting my business idea. I have one idea for making one dried seaweed. Seaweed means we call it in Indonesia is rumput laut, but we make it dry. So the question is why I choose this idea, because of we know mostly dried seaweed product, it is imported from outside Indonesia.
Yes.
While we know Indonesia is very rich of seaweed. That is why I have one idea to making this product. And I have several friends who are working in seaweed fishermen. And I already told them, I already asked them how much that price for seaweed per kilogram. And as per their information, it is around 7,000 rupiah per kilogram. But I can negotiate with them to get the cheaper price if we are taking in huge quantities. So for the selling price, we can sell it around 25,000 rupiah up to 30,000 rupiah, depend on our packaging and quality of our product. So for the different price between production cost and the selling price, it is still good. So, but we have to calculate regarding what we call that production cost, that also packaging price, and also distributed to mini market. And also we have to concern with the certificate from BP POM and also certificate halal from Majelis Ulama Indonesia, so that people will interest to buy our product. So for marketing, later we will join with the several mini market in city, so we can put our product in their store. Maybe that's all from me. if any feedback, don't hesitate to giving feedback in this meeting. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Thank you, Mr. Kristiani, for your presentation.
Maybe
Your
can I
presentation
ask you
idea is-
something?
Yeah,
Yes.
sure, Pak
Sorry.
Ananda.
Yeah, Mr. Jani, maybe we can buy the raw material of seaweed, so we process that until the finished product. Maybe that is from you, yeah. And we have a gap price from the raw material until the finished product. Can you tell me, like, beside the supermarket, where we can sell that seaweed, dry seaweed?
Yes, thank you for your question, Mr. Ananda. I have several friends who are running the business for mini market and also traditional market. I can discuss with them to join with them, then put our product in their store. But we have to make sure first our packaging and quality it is good for selling in the their store. And regarding the raw material, I discussed already with the fishermen, seaweed fishermen, that they are ready to supply to us in the large quantity.
Okay, that's it's great and a good opportunity, Mr. Jani. Thank you.
Okay, from me, I'm very interested from your business rumput laut ya, Indonesian rumput laut or seaweed.
Yeah, in Indonesia it's called rumput laut, Pak Ahmad.
Yes, yes. I'm very interested, but until now I not have job plan or business plan for next time. And can you give me planning from your business and where location for business the seaweed, Pak Kristiani? Can you give me information location?
Yeah, for raw material of seaweed, we can take it from Bontang City. There is one location that name is we call it Bontang Kuala. They have so many seaweed product, so we can take from them, and then we can produce in Bontang City also.
Yes.
For making it dry. But for packaging, we have to join with other company to make it interesting.
Okay. Thank you, Pak Kris.
Okay, thank you, Pak Ahmad.
From me, enough. I don't have a business plan for now. Only interest from job plan-nya Pak Mustaqin and Pak Kristiani. Same as Pak Fauzan.
Mr. Fauzan, you have a business plan?
Maybe a little bit from me. I have a business idea about a coffee shop, and located in Bogor, West Java. Why I choose Bogor as a place of our coffee shop, because Bogor near with Jakarta, and that is the one of potential for the destination. And I think we have a good change to start it from now, because the COVID is more longer ya, from us, so we can meet with each other and hang out, and maybe that's a little bit business idea from me.
Okay, Pak Ananda,
Thank you,
Can I have-
Mr. Fauzan.
can I have one question regarding our business plan?
Yes, of course, Mr. Chris.
As we know, this coffee shop business that very competitive business. So we have to make one special treatment or special product from our coffee shop to make our coffee shop more competitive than others. So what is your special thing from your business idea to make it more competitive than others? Can you explain to me, please?
Okay, thank you, Mr. Chris. How about the competitor?
Yeah,
So
because this
there is a lot competitor at the coffee shop sector or industrial
yes,
coffee
right.
shop. Maybe I think we need to provide uh, a different product from each coffee shop, especially in Jakarta or Bogor. I think we can combine it with traditional like ginger, so coffee with ginger. Maybe we must develop it until we get the good product.
Nice, very interesting. Then what about the place? We have the place or we have to rent the place first for the beginning?
Sorry, Mr. Chris, I cannot hear your question.
Sorry, I want to ask also, what about the place? We have to rent it first for the beginning, or we have to buy some ruko or something like that?
I think for the place we can rent it from other people, so we can use our budget with the maximum with the maximum with the optimum, so we can get the good uh, good profit in uh, in in the future. I think yes, Mr. Chris, we can
Okay, I
rent it.
see.
Yeah.
So in this business, I think the place is more important because we have to searching the strategic location for the guests, because that strategic location will be make our coffee shop will growing up too fast. Thank you. That is feedback from me, Pak Ananda.
Thank you so much, Mr. Chris.
Welcome.
Pak Ahmad, any question?
From me enough, Mas, and complete.
Okay. All the business idea presented were very interesting to be realized. But we will only choose one business idea that we will implement. And I think Mr. Christiani business idea is very interesting to run because the product are interesting and needed by people. Then SC to products, strategic location, the type of promotion is also attractive, and the price is also affordable. And so, what about the other participants? Do you agree with my opinion, or do you have another opinion? Okay, Mr. Ahmad Roni, what do you think?
Can listening? You speak, Pak Mutakin. Your signal is close. Can you repeat?
Okay. Mr. Ahmad Roni, you can choose one the business.
Okay. Until now, I don't have a job business from next time. And me follow Pak Krejani and Mas Faujan Indrani and Mas Ahmad Mutakin. From
Okay.
me.
You can choose Mr. Krijani or Mr. Fauzan.
Pak Ahmad,
Yes.
Pak Usnul is asking you which one you prefer. You are prefer my business idea or Pak Ananda idea? He's asking you.
Oh,
Okay. Okay, I prepare maybe to Pak Faujan or Mas Krisjani. I'm only interested in now, and you business. I'm all interested. Okay.
No, Pak Ahmad, because we have to vote which one we have to run. Not both are we have to run, but only one we have.
Only
We
one.
must vote only
Yes,
one business
only one.
idea.
Maybe Mas Ananda Faujan Indrani for business coffee
Coffee shop.
coffee
Coffee
shop.
shop.
Coffee shop.
Yeah, coffee shop. But from coffee shop is maybe low budget, and seaweeds business or rumput laut itu very high budget, but use with sea water or beach ya, location at beach and very big budget to from me.
Okay, Pak Ahmad, thank you for your feedback, Pak Ahmad. But what I'm consider is in this business, dried seaweed business, there are few competitor in this business so far. For a coffee shop, it is okay. We know so many coffee shop in Indonesia, but we have to think about our competitor. That is feedback from me. But let Pak Ahmad Husnul decide which one we have to run.
I think
Okay, Pak Ahmad.
I interest with your business idea, Mr. Krijani.
Yeah, but all people should accept this idea, so we can make teamwork, good teamwork for this idea, so we can run it well. Any comment from your side, Pak Fauzan?
Okay. From me, after all our presentation and after all the information that I got from this presentation, I think dry seaweed have more potential benefit from for us because there are a little there are
A few,
little
a few
competitor.
competitor, eh?
Yeah, a few competitors, so we
A few
can
competitor.
get a maximum or optimum benefit from that. Maybe I think maybe that is
Yeah, I agree
from
with you,
me.
Pak Fauzan.
But we must package it with a modern way so we can sell that from young people and how about the marketing? I forgot about that, Mr. Chris.
Yeah, marketing, we can join with several mini market. We can put our product in their store, and also we can make an advertisement in the maybe in
Medias.
the school, university, and even in a traditional market we can put our product.
And also media social, I guess.
Yeah, that is good idea. We can put our product in social media also. Nice feedback, Pak Fauzan.
Thank you, Mr. Chris.
Okay, enough.
Enough.
Well, from the opinion of each participant, we decided that the business idea of Mr. Christiani will be run. We hope that the business that we are going to run can develop well and provide benefit for many people and provide benefit for all of us. Maybe that's all we can discuss this meeting. I ask the chairman of the meeting apologize if there are mistakes. And thank you for your presence and see you at the next meeting. Thank you and good afternoon.
Thank you for all. Thank you. See you.
Okay, thank you all.
Bye.
Bye.